Well, hi there, everyone. This is Beth. I kind of feel like I've been out of touch lately and not sharing some of my videos and stuff. It's because I have been redoing my scrapbooking room and it's still in the works. So there you have it. So sometimes when I kind of feel out of touch, I just reach for one of my scrapbooks and I can get inspired. So let's grab one. I have no idea what's in here. It says 1986. So let's take it. So here goes. I grabbed this one off the shelf. It's pretty blue. And inside, 1986. This is when I decided to do a bunch of pages using the Bloomin something kit from Close to My Heart. And I just decided to use it because I like the stuff. I hid Easter eggs in there for Easter, like that. I like it. Oh, and a pocket. I always like the pockets I do. There's some, oh, Peter just took his first 3 steps. That's great. I love it. And there you go. This is one of my all-time favorite pictures of my son, Dan. The Coke was bigger than he was. And this is another one with the Bloom. I guess I don't remember the name of the kit. This one with the light bulbs. I kind of love it. So I should be encouraged now. That was fun. So let's get scrapbooking.